guys, so this is a new chapter for my F350 dually. I got an Yita light bar. It's a 52 inch. Let me get a knife. So it's a 52 inch light bar. It's what is it, like IP 68 waterproof. There is more specs to go, so I didn't memorize everything. So this kit is out of the Jeep. I will post the link below. So I don't care if it's from Jeep or anything, but so it comes with the wiring. So it's a relay, push button, all the wire that is necessary. Whoops. So it also comes with a two small lights, pod lights, or how you wanna call it, that I'm planning to mount behind the car, like where the towing hitch is. I got the special bracket, so this is what it is. I think it's like 18 watt, waterproof and all this stuff. There is a bracket for the light. So this is the bracket for the small pods, and I was saying earlier that this is out of Jeep. I don't have a Jeep, but it comes with this kind of bracket. I wish it comes with the like Ford also package, but no package for Ford yet. So usually, so it goes on the Jeep. It goes right here. So this is a mounting bracket for the small light. This is for the like bigger light. So it's possible like this. I like this. Yeah, this is pretty nice, but I don't have a Jeep, and I have a different setup for my truck. There's two of them. So it comes with a manual, Yitamotors, so it details the step-by-step of how to install it, light bar, wiring, and all that stuff. Yeah. If you have any questions, just call those guys. And this is the beauty. I think it's supposed to be 50 or 52 inches. This is a straight bar. They comes with the curve also, but this is a one straight bar. So it comes with the flood and spot combo together, waterproof, kind of a slim design than usual the light bar that I got last time. And over here is where some of the brackets slides. So this is the connection points and the wiring. Let's go ahead and install it, but for my project that I have, I'll show you guys something. On the Ford, there is actually a kit I got off Amazon too. So this is the brackets. Okay, One is screwed, two to go. Okay, so just like so, 3 holes, are we good to go? And let's tuck it in, everything back. So what some people do, that they trim the rubber here, but it sits really flash anyways. The kit comes with its own kit. It even comes with the universal brackets for the light bar. And get it out. So this bar, this is the rubber piece that you can actually mount anywhere, and you can even mount here on a self toppers. Nah, it's not recommended for the car. So bolt and not from the inside, and you can mount it to the boat, golf cart, ATVs or anything. So this is the bracket, but I have this kind of a set of brackets. But from this kit, what I will use all the other hardware, bolts, nuts, and this is most important ones. So the light bar will not move left, right. So let's get the washers and do the install. Okay, so let's go ahead and install it. So it's gonna be challenging, guys. I'm telling you this right away. With one person, it's really hard. Okay, so it feels good, and with the wiring, this is your installation, so you can run the wire how you want it, where you want it, cut the hole or anything. So in my situation, I will go and do it along the channel here. So it's gonna be all tucked in, hidden, all this stuff. What we're working here, so this is the relay, and it have its own fuse also. Fuse looks fine. To open it, just pull the tab, and here's the fuse. Looks good. Pull it back. Lock it. Comes with the button, double side tape behind. Plus gonna be red, minus black, and have a long wiring. Okay, so quick recap. Black goes to black, red to red, and then I fish wire them. Let me get better view. So under here, going inside the fender, going all the way inside the fender, and it comes out. Whoops, another way. Comes out right here. So one wire for the light goes to right here, and to the plastic connects to the light bar, and the other way, another one goes to right here inside, and I fish wire to right here. They'll connect it somewhere right here, and we'll be good to go. So red is not working, green is working. Okay, let's go ahead. This is our Yita for the. I will use it for the rear setup. What do we have here in the packaging? Have this thing. So the bolt, and you can install with this setup like anywhere, because this thing moves, so it can be relocated, and there is one big hole. You can drill the hole and put the bolt like anywhere too. So let's go ahead and install it. Okay, so I just installed one of the lights, and I will start the second one. Is right here. There's I don't know if you can even see it. Okay, so make it brighter. So the light will go right here. And will point backwards. So the first thing what I will do, I will install this small bolt. Yeah, small bolt. So it's gonna be locking washer. And two small nuts. So for every installation is going to be a little bit different, but this is the roughly idea. So it could be installed the other way, but this is going to be my way. I need to change my ratchet. It's going down. Have a Craftsman, but it's so hard to find places nowadays to change them lifetime warranty. So maybe that's why they went out of business. So okay, it's good to go. So let's go ahead and install it underneath. So I'll have a underneath like this, and so I will have a few washers that I have a around washer, locking, and this thing. Oh, come on. Let's keep falling down. Again. Ah, it's fighting me. Okay. Let's tie it. Okay, so it'll be like this, and let's go ahead and bend it slightly. So I was saying earlier, every install is gonna be different. Some places you have to twist it, bend it, Okay, bend it outside, looks good. And let's do the wiring. So I'll have two lights connected together, and then I will connect it to one of the tail lights is on the back. Okay, so what do we got here? So it's connected to a rear light. It's all connected. Where's the wiring? I don't know if you can see it. It's like, yeah, make it brighter. Connect right there. Okay. And I did connect it to the rear light for the left side. So this is just headlights. Headlights and light bar. Just a light bar. Headlights and a light bar. Just a light bar. How about the reverse? Oh yeah, it looks bright. Let's check it out. The reverse. Oh yeah, might be a little bit higher. Something like this. And what do we have here? Light bar.